Okay, so today's October 25th. I thought it'd be a good time now. It's been a couple of weeks since we did a project update. Funny thing is I'm actually supposed to be in Singapore right now, but well, due to unforeseen travel arrangements, we didn't go to the headquarters. But on the bright side, we're preparing things over here for our first International Service Center at the business land border crossing on Earth. We've got some of the standing signs put up. We're going to send some photos of our project colleagues holding up a large banner. But this is pretty tremendous. Here's a very anecdotal story. The very first person that one of our colleagues spoke to wanted to purchase coins right away, which is a 100% hit ratio, which is good for our project. So after this, I'll be here for about, I think about 2.5 to 3 weeks. We should hopefully be starting to sell the MYID coins available to the public prior to me leaving. Our coin buyback schedule should be starting very shortly. And then we've got a lot planned for South Korea, Japan, and Indonesia immediately. The Philippines and then Germany are going to be launched probably sometime in late January, but South Korea, Japan, and Indonesia should all be able to start before the end of this year. I think that's pretty much it. Please, again, follow the Telegram channel, watch the YouTube videos, comment below this video. And I assume this one's going on YouTube, so please like and subscribe so you can follow the rest of our projects, our project status. And then, yeah, we got some tremendous development over the next 30 days, over the next 3 months, over the next 6 months, over the next year to 3 years. We're going to have these popping up, these international service centers. Hopefully, we'll have thousands within the next 3 years, and hopefully one within a very convenient location of wherever you happen to live at. And here's a couple of our project colleagues right over here, kind of waiting. That's the Gal family, right? I'm not sure if I should say your last name, but yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. We'll catch up again, and I'll I guess discuss more project developments as they happen. But there's a tremendous amount of developments, and we have some exciting sponsors for our additional international service centers. But those sponsors will be announced once it's confirmed, because people say things all the time, but we never know exactly what their intentions are with our project, and what their sponsorship necessarily means. But that being said, once confirmation is given and it occurs, and things are signed or whatever the case may be, we'll announce who those sponsors are. There's a couple of them that are internationally well-known, extremely well-known companies that are very interested in our project and sponsoring our additional international service centers. But again, we just don't know until things are finished and done. So, okay, that's it.